Hi, hi, hi. Ngiyathemba ni-right esayidini lenu. Just wanted to say thank you for your support. Namhlanje ngizoyenza nje i-quick breakdown yabona ngoba besenza i-live back testing ye-Freedom Model because it's a Monday and it's a red folder news day yabona. So siqale ku-daily charts sabona ama-candle body closure below each other even on the previous days. So savela sabona ukuthi okay, um it's a bearish day. So ngaya ku-4 hour, mengifika ku-4 hour bengibuke nje just ukubona ukuthi i-price action yenza kanjani. As you can see, kune-SMT SSMT to the upside yabona. Ayithathanga ama-lows this side mara this side iwathathile. So even though i-daily beyithi bearish, i-4 hour beyithi bullish. So manje we have to keep that in mind yabona. Mesingena kule trade le, kumele uhlezi uzibuke lezi zinto. That's why it's important ukuthi uzame ukubuka ama-time frame yabona, ama-higher time frame for ama-entry. So mesifika ku-1 hour, I don't think ngithole anything ku-1 hour. So ngayenzani, ngaya ku-15 minute. Mengifika ku-15 minute, bekuyi-London ngaleso sikhathi. So besibuke ama-Asian highs nama-Asian lows yabona. So akubanga na-next, to be honest, like ama-SSMT during the time le bengibhekile ngoba there is a specific time la ngibheka nje ama-setup. After lapho vele ngiya-relax yabona, I just chill until NYAM session. So vele, speaking of which, sifike ku-NYAM session, even though i-daily beyithini, beyithi bearish, mara ngithi sakhumbula ukuthi i-4 hour beyithini, beyithi bullish. So as you can see la kube ne SSMT to the upside. As you can see, i-price la ku-Euro USD this side ithathe ama-London lows, la ayithathanga ama-London lows, ayiswipanga. And then yenza ne-TCSD validation to the upside yabona. So that shows ukuthi okay, kune-SSMT and iyabonisa ukuthi iya-validate ukuthi izoya phezulu. So what we do, sibuka nje ama-drawn liquidity to the upside, mara yabona ukuthi drawn liquidity was a bit too low this side. So sa-aima for ini, sa-aima nje for i-1:1, sabeka i-stop on the lows just to be safe. And then yeah, yabona ukuthi price action iye phezulu, kodwa ngithathanga le trade cause ish angibukanga. But like yeah, the way bengi anticipate ukuthi idlale iyenze ngakhona,